Good afternoon. This is Ulysse Nardin's wristwatch from Citadel Watch. Completely serviceable, in good condition. There are traces of wear. The dial is in perfect condition. The hands are dark blue with Ulysse Nardin design. Body material steel with gold plating. The case size is 36 mm. Movement mechanic with automatic winding. On the dial there is a date display and a watch winding. Also on the case is engraved with the Ulysse Nardin branding. Wristwatch, 1846 release.